Hastings to Kalamazoo and back to Grand Rapids, we have the February flood of 2018 covered. The water has stopped rising in many places, but in other places, including Grand Rapids, the rivers have yet to crest. 24-hour News 8's Joe LaFurgey starts us off live tonight in downtown Grand Rapids, where the rising waters are quite noticeable, Joe.
Yeah, Leanne, a couple of ways you can actually tell that the Grand River has reached flood stage here in downtown Grand Rapids. I'm going to step out of the way. That little area, that little patio down there along the walkway, it's between the Amway Grand and DeVos Place. I stood there and did a live shot on Tuesday. It is now underwater. Not as bad, though, as it was in 2013. Another sign. Take a look at the water under the Pearl Street Bridge. It is slowly raising towards the deck of the bridge. Now, the river is expected to crest around noon tomorrow, but all throughout Michigan, flooding concerns are going to last well into next week. When Riverview Drive turned into River Drive in Kalamazoo, Evan Curtis and some of his buddies decided to kayak the road.
I thought I'd have a great idea, like it'd be a great time. Like people were out there, there was a whole bunch of people kayaking, so we're like, oh, let's go kayaking.
Not the smartest decision, according to the people who have to rescue daredevils like Curtis, the first responders. Those floodwaters can be treacherous. It didn't take long for this kayak club to figure that out.
And there were spots where it was pretty questionable, like it's the river. Once you got to the river, that was crazy. It was going so fast. We were like kind of thinking about going on it, but then we're like, ah.
The Kalamazoo River crested this morning at 11.5 feet. Riverview is one of several streets expected to remain closed as the waters slowly recede. And the dryout continues to the northeast.
This is the worst it's been since I've been here.
Eugene Gibson is a year-round resident of Thornapple Lake near Hastings. Both the lake and the river that shares its name have been over their banks for days, and many homeowners along Thornapple Lake may not realize the damage the flood has caused. They're part-timers, and these are vacation homes. Gibson pitched in to help, even rowing out to retrieve one of his neighbor's docks.
How tough was it rowing out here? Oh, it was pretty bad. Yeah, it was pretty windy yesterday when I was trying to do this.
So tonight, all eyes are on downtown Grand Rapids. Again, the river expected to crest right around noon tomorrow. Join us for the latest tomorrow morning on Daybreak. Right now, we're live in downtown Grand Rapids. Joe LaFurgey, 24-hour News 8.